There we go. First house we're doing is this one here. And we do the neighbours there, and there's a couple down there which I'll show you in a bit. But this is why window cleaning is pretty good. So I've just got here and I'm fill the van up, the tank up with water. I'll show you my setup quickly, and then we will get straight into the first job. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna do a vlog style video, which is something a little bit different. Obviously, first things first, I'm gonna have my breakfast, scrambled egg on toast. I'll show you a little bit of that, and then we'll get straight into the video. My sort of business and my channels, my social medias are literally 12 months old. I think I had a notification from YouTube the other day saying that the channel was 12 months old, and here are your analytics. So yeah, let's get stuck in. I'm going to cook my breakfast and I will see you in a second. Look at that. Scrambled egg, toast, and that is not tomato ketchup, in case you are wondering. That is a sweet chili jam sauce. Yeah, so just going to finish off my breakfast, but I'll talk to you as well about how I got started and what got me into the industry. I'm doing it off the cuff as well. There's nothing scripted. I'm just literally talking to you myself. So a little over 12 months ago, probably a bit longer, I was a fuel tanker driver delivering fuel, which was great. The money was really good. But the honest opinion, the manager that I worked for was a complete so-and-so. And that's all I'm going to say on the matter about that. And I've worked with managers before who've been really, really good. Yeah, so it's not a case of I didn't like being told what to do or anything like that. I've had managers and bosses in the past that have been amazing. But yeah, he was just an absolute so-and-so. And I was going to work every day thinking, do I really want to be doing this for the rest of my life for the next 30 years? Surely there's more to life than doing this. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not slating anyone who's a tanker driver either, or anyone who's got a full-time job, but my mindset, my passion was to sort of always be successful on my own journey. So that's kind of why I took the risk, I took the plunge, and it's why I'm in the position that I'm in today. So yeah, 12 months ago, I basically quit my job, probably a bit longer than 12 months ago, actually. And I literally just quit the job. I had nothing to fall back on, which is a bit scary because you got a family, you got 2 young children, you got bills to pay, etc., like every normal human being. And I kind of thought, well, I have to act quite quickly, really. Yes, I had a bit of money in the bank as like a buffer, but I didn't want to start dipping into that and wasting it and just blowing it and being lazy. And so I acted quickly. I sort of put some ideas into my head. What would I enjoy doing? What do I like doing at the minute? And yeah, I obviously come across this sort of avenue. So I bought a van. And then I made a trip to Spinnaclean, which they're based up in Nottingham, Northampton, sorry, not Nottingham, Northampton. Made a trip up there, spoke to the guys up there, bought a pressure washing machine package with a flat surface cleaner. Had a day's training up there with the guys, which was really, really good. Bought a Skyvac from them as well, and various hoses and bits to basically get me started. Made the trip back down to Plymouth, and there I was on my own journey, thinking, right, I've got all this equipment and I don't know what to do with it. I got no customers, but it's like anything, isn't it? It's if you really want to make something work, it will work. And ultimately that's what I done. And the most obvious thing is, the first things first, is you do your friends' houses, patios, walkways, driveways, gutters. You do all that. So for the first, believe it or not, for the first couple of months, you're really busy. You know, you're thinking, Jesus Christ, look at all this work coming in. But ultimately, it's friends and family supporting you, which is great. It's really good, and it gives you a little bit of practice. It gives you a little bit of an insight as to your way of doing the job correctly and efficiently. Really, that's the best way of putting it. But obviously, you know, you'll meet contacts on the way, which I've done. I've now got quite a lot of commercial work, which is good, because I know there's a monthly income coming in every month, regardless of any other customers, residential or sort of new customers coming. I know I've got a set amount each month, which is good. So yeah, that's kind of where my journey went. And I think that a question that some of you might ask is that, you know, what got you into YouTube? Obviously TikTok, etc., the social medias. It was my son, believe it or not. I think I was cleaning the carpet one day, and he was like, Dad, why don't you put a video on TikTok? And I was a bit like, you know, I don't know what's that going to achieve. And obviously, the more I looked into it, and the more I seen videos on there, I was thinking, do you know what? Yeah, this is free marketing basically. And now I'm at the stage I'm at here on YouTube. I've nearly 26,000 subscribers. I do earn a little bit of revenue off it, but it's not a lot. So if you're watching videos online, if you're watching videos on YouTube that tell you, you know, you can earn thousands and thousands of pounds per month, yes, you probably can. But when you hit, I would say 100,000+ subscribers a month, not sort of 10, 20,000. That's my view of looking at it as well. But it's great. I mean, I enjoy making videos. I enjoy that side of it as well. I'm quite computer tech. I've always been involved in my computers, games, etc. Nerdy, if you want to call it nerdy, but that's me. I've always enjoyed it. So yeah, I enjoy making the videos. So that's where my journey is at the minute. Kind of 12 months down the road. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. So I think we'll take you out on a day with me now. We'll go out. I've got a couple of window cleans to do in one street, which is great. I think I can park the van in one specific location, and I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's like 6 or 7 houses I do in one go, which is great. One of them needs their gutters and fascias cleaned at the same time, which is extra revenue. So obviously the good thing with windows is I don't class myself as a window cleaner, because that's kind of not the main source of income, but it does give you the bolt-ons, the gutters, the fascias, any pressure washing they want doing as well. So yeah, I'll finish off for breakfast. We'll go and fill the van up, the tank up with water. I'll show you my setup quickly, and then we will get straight into the first job, and we'll just show you the journey, show you what we're doing, what we're on. Any questions you got, do pop them in the comments and I will answer them. Yeah, so I'll finish my breakfast. See you in a second. Okay, yes, so I'm just filling up my van now. There is my setup, guys. 500 litre tank, okay. Sorry, 500 litre tank, hose reel. That's my trolley system for soft washing, etc. I do normally hang my brushes up here, but that bracket seems to have fell off. I need to put it back up, but yeah, my brushes are there at the minute. So there's nothing special. Hoses for pressure washing. That's basically it. That I have a new one of these. I just haven't changed it yet, because not that I'm lazy, but I just think it's still working. So don't fix what isn't broke, is the famous saying. One of my brushes that I use from Streamline. So yeah, there we are. That is the system. So DI vessel. Don't need an ROI system really, because the water down in the south is very soft. So yeah, I'm gonna let that fill up, guys, because it'll take a while, and we'll get on to the first job. Okay, so we've just pulled up. First, let me get out of the sun a second. There we go. First house we're doing is this one here, and we do the neighbours there, and there's a couple down there which I'll show you in a bit. But this is why window cleaning is pretty good. So I've just got here, and the first question he asked me is how much to clean the patio area. So that job is booked in on Friday, and it's, you know, I don't look at window cleaning as like a lost leader as such, but it does add on to other services if you provide it. This customer of mine as well, is 99 years old tomorrow, so on Friday I'm going to try and record it, and we'll try and get him in the video, and stay tuned for that video coming up as well. But yeah, I'll crack on and clean the windows here, and we'll see you in a second. Okay, I've got the van running a second because I've had a couple of problems with it, with the battery going flat when I'm using the window cleaning setup the last couple of times, and I don't know why it's doing it. Doesn't always happen, and it's not run off the van battery. It's got a separate leisure battery in the back. So yeah, I don't know why it's doing it. So the van's running at the minute. To try and charge it back up. Luckily I was facing downhill, and I managed to bump start it, or else I would have been knackered. But yeah, we're kind of nearly finished with the windows. Got sort of one house left to do, and the guttering on that house there. But I'll get out and show you the houses that I do in the street, show you how close they are, which is really good for a window cleaning round. So I do that one, that one, that one, that one up there, that one in the corner that you can just see. Just take you around here. I do that one, and that one. Okay guys, there we are. I've wrapped it up for the day. So took you on a little bit of a journey, my journey as well, where I started, where I come from, why I got into the industry. 12 months down the line, here we are. A couple of little jobs that I've shown you briefly, but I'm not going to bore you too much with window cleaning videos because they're not the most satisfying videos. I mean, the pressure washing ones, etc., are brilliant, love them, but window cleaning's window cleaning. But yeah, so I'm gonna start making more of these vlog style videos, if that's what you call them. Give you an actual running of myself, the business, what I do day to day. So yeah, more of this will be coming up. I've got some really good plans moving forward, so make sure you do subscribe and turn the notifications on so you don't miss any videos. Yeah, the next one I'm probably gonna do it on Friday when I'm going back to that customer's house. He's 99 years old and he's been a regular on my window cleaning round for a while now, so I might surprise him. He wants me to pressure wash his patio, but I might surprise him. And surprise you guys as well. So other than that, we'll see you on the next one. Any questions you've got, pop them in the comments, I'll help you out.
other than that, yeah, I'm going to go and enjoy the sun. It's boiling hot sat in the van, so I want to get out, get a drink, and we'll see you on the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.